how to fix Telegram code SMS problem. So if you're not being able to receive a SMS on Telegram due to any type of reasons, right, whenever you're trying to log into your account or whatever else it is that you're doing, first it could be due to an incorrect phone number. So make sure that your phone number is entered correctly in this case. After you've done that, make sure that your Wi-Fi is working just fine and that you're in a place where you're receiving messages quite well. So just go to your messages app and check if you're receiving messages. Now sometimes instead of sending messages on SMS, Telegram might send a code on one of the devices where your account is still logged in. So if your account is still logged in on your tablet or desktop or web browser, then Telegram will send code on those accounts instead of the SMS. So try to check within there. Do not try from the same page over and over again. Close the Telegram app and reopen to see if that helps you. Go to your Play Store also and search for the Telegram app. Check if it has an update, and if it does, ensure that it is updated to the latest version. If none of these are helping, you can also try to lastly use this application called Telegram X. Now this is not a third-party app, it is the official app from Telegram developer themselves, so you can actually try to download this app. Everything else is pretty much similar to Telegram itself. You can use the same phone number and the same account. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.